This is the unexplored energy in the universe. This is the visible energy on our planet. This is the energy harnessed by human beings for the first time. We are the ones who committed to make better use of clean energy. Nature is the true law. Clean energy of nature is not always supplied according to human life demands. With more than 20 years accumulation of specialty, we produced hundreds of millions of batteries for tens of millions of clients all over the world every year. We are reducing hundreds of thousands of tons of carbon dioxide emission on Earth each year. We are empowering numerous enterprises and individuals with stable and safe clean energy. In the field of clean energy, we are the most cutting-edge explorers. Since 2001, we've been always adhering to the business philosophy of team, integrity, innovation, and gratitude. These values have connected thousands of our enthusiastic colleagues and several lovely lands: Guangzhou, Zhuhai, Foshan, Zhumadian, Liuzhou, Chongzhou, Chuzhou, and Fuquay, Japan, together. This is the energy connected by love. Great Power is fully focusing on energy storage market, ensuring high quality of our products with stringent requirements. Devoting to be the best supplier for the top clients in the industry. To be a first-tier battery supplier for energy storage systems. In the future, Great Power will keep exploring more efficient, more sustainable, and more convenient energy. To light a better city with clean energy. To light a better life with love.